punctured neighborhood. What is the concept of punctured neighborhood? Understand it first. It is denoted as N asterisk A delta. And you read it as, normally how do you read NA delta? Delta neighborhood. Now you read it as delta punctured neighborhood of A. Okay. What it means is, NA delta punctured neighborhood means X is such that it is between A minus delta and A plus delta, that we have seen. That neighborhood form and interval form have the same meaning. And interval form means the values are between A minus delta and A plus delta. But here, further, X is not equal to A and X is a real number. Understand with an example. Suppose, Asa, tell me any two numbers.
4 and 7.
4 and 7. Suppose A is 7 and delta is 4. Okay. Now it will be A minus delta. 7 minus 4, A plus delta. 7 plus 4, 3 and 11. So, neighborhood form of 7 and 4 means the value of X is between 3 and 11. Interval form if I write it. So, neighborhood form of 7 and 4 means in interval form it is 3 and 11. Okay, this means all the numbers between 3 and 11 are included. But when I say punctured neighborhood, then between 3 and 11 it does not include A. All the numbers between 3 and 11 are included, but 7 is not included. And further I mentioned that X belongs to real, means 3.01 is included, 3.001 is included, 3.5 is included, 6.99 is included, but 7 is, then 7.01 is included, and up till 10.99999 is included. All the numbers between 3 and 11 are included, but in punctured neighborhood A is not included. So this is, it can be asked for 1 mark theoretical only, practical is not there. So if they ask you punctured neighborhood, you'll write it in this manner for 1 mark. That punctured neighborhood of A delta means X is such that it is between A minus delta and A plus delta, but X will not be equal to A, and X is a real number. Did everyone understand this? So write this expression in the summary. Delta is the deviation. So if you are standing over here and deviation is 3, then neighborhood form means in your neighbor this side 3 is possible, in your neighbor this side 3 is possible. So you can have minus 3, 2 plus 3. All the things in between are included. And in punctured neighborhood, you yourself are not included. Okay, you are punctured. So the person standing is not included. That is the concept. Now, time is over as such, but we'll take up with the concept of limits. Otherwise, tomorrow again explaining limits will waste 10-15 minutes. Instead, we'll directly start with the practical questions tomorrow. And you as such wasted my 10 minutes in the beginning today. So, he has now put it off and on again.